Thank you for choosing SafeConnect, your go-to source for essential workplace safety tips and guidelines. So, whether you're dealing with a chemical hazard, sharp tools, extreme temperatures, or even electrical hazards, using the right gloves can make all the difference. Proper hand protection not only ensures your safety, but also enhances your productivity and efficiency. Hands are some of your most valuable tools. Now, let's talk about the types of hand protection. Hand protection is crucial in many industries to prevent injuries and ensure safety. There are various types of gloves designed for specific tasks and hazards. Understanding the right type of glove for each job is essential for maintaining a safe working environment. Chemical-resistant gloves. These are designed for handling harmful substances. Materials like nitrile, neoprene, or latex protect against chemical exposure and blood-borne pathogens. They are commonly used in laboratories, chemical plants, hospitals, and other environments where workers are exposed to hazardous chemicals. These gloves provide a barrier that prevents chemicals from coming into contact with the skin, reducing the risk of burns and other injuries or illnesses. It's important to choose the right type of chemical-resistant glove based on the specific chemicals being handled. Cut-resistant gloves. Made from materials like Kevlar or steel mesh, these gloves are essential for tasks involving sharp objects. They're commonly used in industries such as construction, manufacturing, and food processing. These gloves help prevent cuts and lacerations, ensuring that workers can handle sharp tools and materials safely. Heat-resistant gloves. Ideal for working with hot materials, these gloves are often made from materials like Kevlar or specialized heat-resistant fabrics. They protect workers from burns and other heat-related injuries. These gloves are particularly important in industries like metalworking, glass manufacturing, and food service. Impact-resistant gloves. Equipped with padding to absorb shocks, these are vital for operating heavy machinery or blunt force tools. They help prevent injuries from vibrations and impacts, making them essential in industries like construction and manufacturing. To ensure you're using the right gloves, follow OSHA and ANSI standards. OSHA mandates appropriate hand protection, while ANSI provides performance ratings such as cut levels to help you select gloves based on risk. Gloves need regular maintenance. Inspect them for wear and tear, clean them according to the manufacturer's instructions, and replace them if they're damaged or compromised. If an injury occurs, act quickly. Control bleeding with pressure, clean minor wounds, and seek medical attention for severe injuries. Always report incidents immediately to help improve safety and get the necessary care. Let's discuss employers. Employers play a vital role in workplace safety. They assess hazards, provide suitable PPE, and offer comprehensive training to ensure everyone knows how to use hand protection effectively and safely. Regular maintenance of equipment and frequent updates to safety protocols are also essential for a safe working environment. Employers should also establish a culture of safety, where employees are encouraged to report hazards and suggest improvements. This proactive approach helps in maintaining a safe and productive workplace for everyone. Now, to wrap up, remember these key points. 1. Use the right gloves for the task. 2. Follow safety standards and guidelines. 3. Maintain and replace gloves as needed. 4. Report injuries promptly. And 5. Always stay vigilant and prioritize your safety. Proper hand protection is crucial for a safe and productive workplace. By adhering to these practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of hand injuries and ensure a safer working environment for everyone. Stay safe and keep your hands protected. Thanks for watching. By following these guidelines, you'll help keep your hands safe and your workplace secure. This message was brought to you by SafeConnect.